Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. MEDRO Gaming is here. So after a long time, I'm back. It's like the end of efootball 23. So basically, I will continue with my YouTube channel. So let's open some pack and see what happened. I have 3,400 coin, and I wish I could get Michael Owen. He's one of my favorite player. So. What do you think? Comment below. What do you think? Can I get this card? Max 98. What do you think? Will it go 101 or only 100? So let's see. And if you have much coin like 3,000 or 4,000, so I will prefer you to use your coin for this card, and you'll never get a big time card for if if you can get him in 4,000 or 5,000, even 5,000 coin, that is the uh, big deal for you. That will be the big deal for you. So let's start us. And he has some good skills, and he doesn't have super sub skill. I want to play him in super sub. So I already have Diego Forlan, Van Basten, and Inzaghi as well. So here is the first draw. Come on, Konami, give us some good player. And no, this is not this is not Michael Owen. Okay, no problem. So let's try another 100 coin. let's go. Another 100 and nothing as well. I know. I already seen many of players got the big time card for out of 600. Someone got in 100 coin and someone 600. So that was big deal for them. So if we manage to get him out of 1400 coin, it will be good for me, because I want to save some coin for efootball 24. I don't want to buy I don't want to buy more coin. So let's see what Konami did. Okay, so again 100, and let's go. Come on, Konami. And no, come on, you can do it, Konami. Truly it's heartbreaking. The last pack, the Inzaghi and Kaka pack, I got Inzaghi out of 4,100 coin, but Kaka and Cafu, I got them by wasting 13,400 coin. Can you imagine? Let's try another 100. So let's go. Come on, Konami, give us Michael Owen. And no, why, Konami? Why you don't like me? I love you, but you don't like me. You don't like me. Actually, if you start wasting much coin in this type of pack, definitely you will do a bad thing. Because if you waste or buy coin, then Konami will never give you out of 100 or 1,000 coin in any epic player. So let me tell you one thing. My English is not good as well, because I don't speak English. My native language is Bangla, and I'm very much comfortable at this language. So I will do better I will try to, and I'll practice, and I think everything will be good. So here we go. I think we should try for 900 coin. Already I waste 500 coin and nothing. So let's hear the first 900 and nothing. Why? Shit. 900 gone. Why you don't love me, Konami? Why you don't like me? I don't know. After wasting 1400 coin, nothing. Alexander Arnold. I have his 1900 CMF card, so I don't need him, and I already have Cafu as well, so I don't need this type of card. Konami, give me please Michael Owen. Again 900, and come on. No, please. Why? I don't know why, Konami. Shit. Already I lose 2300 coin, and they gave me only some few 5-star player. Shit. Why, Konami? And you know one thing, no way to play for free. And again 100, and no, as expected. I don't think that will get him in out of 3,400 coin, and I'm not gonna buy more coins. Please, Konami. And again 100 coin. Please, Konami. No, why? Shit. I've already wasted like 2,500 coin and nothing. Why? Only 900 left. Please, Konami, if I got this draw, if I got this card in this draw, I'll be happy, really happy. After 3,400 coin wasting, I will be happy if you give me in this try. Please, Konami, please, 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 please. 900, and let's go. Please, please, please. Oh yes! Finally got Michael Owen. Come on. Yes. Finally Michael Owen in my squad, and I am really happy. So I want to tell you one thing. If you don't have a good striker, you can try for him. If you get him in 5,000 coin, it will be more profitable. And if you want to save coin, that will be okay. If Konami introduce some packs in efootball 24, that will be huge benefit for you. So I got Michael Owen in 3,400 coin, and really I'm so happy. And I'll do facecam video after some days. I think efootball 24, and you know my I already told you that my English speaking is not good as well, so I'm not going to come in. Okay, so I already have Van Basten. Where is Van Basten? Okay, I will review on Michael Owen. I think he will be must on 100 plus, and if okay, see you guys in later.